Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be diving into the fabulous fashion choices of the stunning Sanyukta Menon. Known for her impeccable style and unique taste, this actress has been setting trends. So, let's get into it. Recently, the actress turned heads in a stunning blue lehenga, gracefully adorned with an exquisite polki necklace and earrings. Completing her look with a sleek ponytail, she effortlessly combined traditional and modern elements. The sleek ponytail added a touch of sophistication, allowing the attention to be drawn towards the captivating polki jewelry. Sanyukta's makeup was minimal, enhancing her natural beauty with a subtle, radiant glow. The overall ensemble was a perfect harmony of elegance and modernity, leaving a lasting impression on everyone who saw her. The actress effortlessly nails the casual chic look. She keeps it simple yet stylish. Sporting a white button-down shirt paired with distressed jeans and some comfy sneakers, she exudes an air of sophistication and ease. And let's not forget those statement sunglasses that add a touch of glam to the whole ensemble. Embracing her cultural roots, Sanyukta Menon's ethnic wear choices are a true inspiration. Saris, lehengas, and traditional dresses grace her wardrobe, and she wears them with grace and confidence. Whether it's a vibrant silk sari with stunning jewelry or a contemporary fusion outfit, she effortlessly merges tradition with modernity. Even on the streets, the actress stands out with her edgy and contemporary street style. From oversized jackets paired with skinny jeans to cool graphic tees and funky sneakers, she showcases her individuality through her streetwear choices. Her fashion-forward approach proves that she can rock any look with ease. In a blush pink sari, she looked absolutely stunning. The sari features a captivating half and half drape with two distinct colors, a grey upper half and a pink lower half. The scallop design of the sari adds to its beauty, adorned with self-colored and white floral buttons all over. Complementing the sari, she wore a heavily embroidered blouse with intricate thread and sequins work. Her choice of jewelry included pearl-studded gold earrings, a neckpiece, and a bangle, which added an elegant touch. To complete the look, she opted for ivory juttas, adding a touch of glamour. With her low-tied bun, blushed cheeks, winged eyes, and nude lips, she exuded beauty and grace. The actress made a remarkable impression with her standout look, donning an off-white sari adorned with exquisite gold gotapati work. Adding an elegant touch, the sari was beautifully matched with a full-sleeves blouse crafted by the renowned duo, Gulabo by Abu Sandeep. The soft curls in her hair and minimal makeup allowed her natural beauty to shine. The statement earrings she wore added a touch of glamour to the ensemble. Gulabo by Abu Sandeep is renowned for its exquisite designs, as seen in this perfect blend of traditional and modern aesthetics. Sanyukta's fashion choices have always been on point, and this elegant and sophisticated outfit for the movie promotions made her the center of attention. This look is ideal for those seeking to make a statement at a formal event or a traditional occasion. The monochrome trend is Sanyukta Menon's forte. From all-black ensembles that ooze sophistication to chic all-white outfits that radiate elegance, she knows how to play with different shades while keeping the look incredibly stylish. Monochrome is undoubtedly her fashion secret. When it comes to minimalist fashion, the actress knows how to make a strong impact with simplicity. With clean lines, classic pieces, and muted color palettes, she embraces the less is more approach, letting her natural beauty and confidence shine through in every outfit. Whether it's bold prints, unique patterns, or unconventional silhouettes, she fearlessly explores the realm of fashion. Her ability to mix and match unexpected pieces, creating eye-catching looks, truly sets her apart as a trendsetter. Sanyukta's innovative approach to fashion continuously inspires fashion enthusiasts to step out of their comfort zones and embrace their individuality. Athleisure is one trend that the actress effortlessly masters. Whether she's spotted in a chic sports bra and leggings combo, or a comfortable hoodie paired with stylish joggers, she shows us how to stay fashion-forward while embracing a sporty aesthetic. With her confident demeanor, Sanyukta proves that athleisure can be both trendy and comfortable for any occasion. The actress brings retro fashion back to life with her nostalgic style choices. She effortlessly channels the glamour of bygone eras, donning vintage-inspired dresses, high-waisted trousers, and elegant accessories. Her retro revival looks have a modern twist, making her a fashion icon for those who love the charm of the past with a contemporary touch. Sanyukta Menon also advocates for sustainable fashion. She actively promotes eco-friendly and ethical brands, showing that fashion can be both beautiful and mindful of the environment. From upcycling old clothing to promoting slow fashion, she sets an example for conscious fashion choices that align with her values. She looked mesmerizing in a rose sari set. The long sari was beautifully adorned with hand-painted bougainvilleas in red, giving the florets a realistic appearance with a touch of green on the leaves. The churi bottoms, on the other hand, were kept plain without any prints. The floral painted motifs were further enhanced with exquisite gota work. For jewelry, she opted for a pair of stunning gold statement earrings by the Rover, skipping neck pieces and rings. Completing the look, she wore a simple hairdo, kohl-rimmed eyes, a bindi, and pink lips, adding an elegant charm to her overall appearance. The actress effortlessly embraces the boho chic style, making it her own. With flowy maxi dresses, fringed accessories, and earthy tones, she exudes a free-spirited vibe that is both trendy and timeless. Sanyukta's boho-inspired looks are perfect for festivals, summer outings, and beach vacations, reflecting her carefree and adventurous personality. The actress knows how to command attention. She slays in tailored blazers, sleek pantsuits, and structured dresses, showing us that women can be both fierce and fashionable in the corporate world. Her power dressing ensembles reflect confidence, strength, and a touch of elegance, making her a role model for aspiring professionals. Sanyukta knows the power of accessories in elevating any outfit. Whether it's bold statement necklaces, chunky earrings, or eye-catching belts, she uses accessories to make a lasting impression. With her impeccable eye for detail, the actress effortlessly transforms her looks from ordinary to extraordinary, inspiring others to play with accessories to express their personality. Vintage glamour is another facet of Sanyukta's fashion journey. She flawlessly channels the elegance of old Hollywood with vintage-inspired gowns, retro hairstyles, and classic makeup. Her vintage looks radiate timeless beauty, proving that old-world glamour is always in style. The actress showcases her fashion-forward activewear. From stylish sports bras to trendy leggings and hoodies, she proves that staying fit doesn't mean compromising on style. Her athleisure choices for the gym or yoga sessions are always on point, inspiring others to prioritize both fashion and fitness. She effortlessly combines bold prints, leather jackets, and statement accessories to create an urban chic look that stands out from the crowd. Sanyukta's edgy style proves that fashion can be a form of self-expression, allowing you to showcase your personality through your clothing choices. She adorns herself in delicate lace, flowing skirts, and dreamy floral prints, exuding a sense of romance and femininity. Her bohemian-inspired looks are perfect for outdoor events, music festivals, or a relaxed day out with friends. Sanyukta's monotone magic continues to captivate fashion enthusiasts. Whether it's an all-red ensemble, head-to-toe beige, or a stunning monochromatic black outfit, she knows how to make a statement with a single hué. Monotone dressing showcases her attention to detail and proves that simplicity can be striking. The actress also advocates for sustainable fashion. She actively promotes eco-friendly and ethical brands, showing that fashion can be both beautiful and mindful of the environment. From upcycling old clothing to promoting slow fashion, Sanyukta sets an example for conscious fashion choices that align with her values. The actress redefines traditional wear with her contemporary twist. She seamlessly blends modern elements with classic Indian attire, creating unique and head-turning looks. Whether it's a fusion sari, a modern lehenga, or a stylish kurta set, Sanyukta's take on traditional wear reflects her vibrant personality and love for cultural diversity. The actress often rocks the classic and elegant straight hair look. Her sleek, smooth locks add a touch of sophistication to any outfit, making her red carpet appearances truly unforgettable. Whether she keeps her hair down or opts for a half-up, half-down style, her sleek hair enhances her natural beauty and exudes an air of poise. Sanyukta effortlessly embraces the beach wave hairstyle. Those soft and tousled waves perfectly complement her boho-inspired looks and casual chic ensembles. Her beachy waves give off an effortlessly cool vibe, making it a go-to hairstyle for fun-filled outings and beach vacations. The actress knows how to pull off elegant updos flawlessly. From stylish buns with loose tendrils framing her face to intricate braided updos, she exudes grace and sophistication with every hair twist and pin. Her updos are perfect for red carpet events, weddings, or any occasion where she wants to make a lasting impression. She often sports ponytails. Whether it's a high ponytail for a sleek appearance or a low ponytail for a more laid-back feel, she shows that even a simple hairstyle can elevate her overall look. Her ponytails are a go-to option for busy days, combining practicality and style effortlessly. Sanyukta knows the power of hair accessories to transform her look. From floral headbands to sparkly hairpins and stylish hairbands, she adds a touch of glamour and fun to her hairstyles. These statement hair accessories are the perfect way for her to express her creativity and add a unique flair to her appearance. In a lavender kurta set, the stunning actress Sanyukta looked absolutely radiant. She paired it with statement silver and antique dual-toned earrings, which added a touch of glamour to her appearance. Her hair was partially pinned in loose, wavy curls, giving a playful vibe to her overall look. Opting for a natural makeup look, her radiant and glowing skin was beautifully complemented. The actress' effortless style and elegance have always been admired, and this appearance was no exception. The lavender kurta set featured intricate embroidery work, adding a touch of sophistication to her attire. The statement earrings served as the perfect accessory, complementing the overall look with charm and grace. Sanyukta Menon often opts for the natural glam look, emphasizing her radiant skin and enhancing her features in a subtle yet alluring way. Her makeup routine focuses on flawless complexion, with a touch of glowy highlighter to accentuate her cheekbones. She complements her look with soft eyeshadows, a coat of mascara, and a neutral lip color, creating an effortlessly chic appearance. The actress effortlessly slays the smoky eye look. Her perfectly blended eyeshadows create a sultry and intense gaze, adding depth and allure to her overall appearance. Whether it's a classic black smoky eye or a more colorful variation, she pulls off this timeless look with ease. From vibrant reds to deep berry shades, her bold lip choices add a pop of color and confidence to her looks. Paired with minimal eye makeup, her bold lips take center stage, making her an icon of fierce and fearless beauty. The dewy complexion is another signature look for Sanyukta Menon. Her radiant skin glows from within, giving her a youthful and fresh appearance. With the right mix of illuminating products, she achieves a luminous and dewy finish that exudes elegance and charm. She effortlessly pulls off graphic eyeliner looks, adding a modern and edgy twist to her makeup repertoire. Whether it's a sleek winged liner or an artistic graphic design, her eyeliner game is always on point, showcasing her versatility and creativity in makeup artistry. In her latest pictures, Sanyukta looks stunning in an ivory sari from Bhargavi Kunam's Vivid 22 collections. The sari features hand-painted and digitally printed florals and leaves in beautiful yellow hues, visible on both the upper and lower halves, with yellow piping on its hem. She adorned herself with a pair of dainty oxidized silver earrings and a set of sleek black glass bangles as her accessories. With her hair left loose and minimal makeup, she exudes natural beauty and grace. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fantastic fashion choices of the one and only Sanyukta Menon. Her style is as versatile as her talent, and she never fails to make a statement with her unique fashion sense. We hope you enjoyed this fashion journey with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.